Hello everyone, this is the 1 Series BMW. The issue we have, this key, it doesn't recognize because if you press the button, ignition doesn't come on, the car won't start. The code we get was the front aerial disconnection, line disconnection. The front aerial line disconnection, that was permanent code. And sometime the car will start, sometime it won't start. So the problem we had, there's two antennas, the aerials. One is this one behind the cup holder. You have to remove the front panel. The trims for the gearbox trim. You remove these trims. Here are the trims. So this trim. So you remove these. These are the trims. So you remove them, and then you remove this iDrive system, and then you get to these cup holders. So soon you remove the screws from the cup holders. That's a front antenna. So the problem was this wire, it came out. So that means the line disconnection, the code was coming up for the line disconnection. So because there's no, sometime it was moving and is picking up the signal, but sometime it won't. So we have to repair this one properly. That's the first antenna aerial for the key to recognize. So, and another second aerial which is behind here. If you remove this air vent at the back, and this is the second, if you can get the zoom, that's the second aerial. That's called a rear aerial. So one aerial, it's called a rear aerial, and that's the front aerial. So now we need to fix this wire, and the car starts straight away without any issue. So this had a permanent fault code on it. So see, this wires came up. So now this is the tag for if you have a 1 Series, the key doesn't recognize, that means you got a problem with this aerial. So thanks for watching this video.